Trust me, if you get this party donut for your occasion, you don't need any good MC, because the aroma alone is going to attract people to contribute to your party as if they want to deposit money in the bank. I mean, the money will be coming That is just, by the way, oh my goodness. Hello, nice to meet you. My name is Lena and welcome to my channel. We are making donuts in today's video. So I have 3 tablespoons of butter, 3 tablespoons of sugar. If you want it extra sweet, you add extra a tablespoon of sugar, but not more than that. Okay, so I will whisk it and make sure it is smooth, then add my eggs. I'm going to use 3 eggs, but I will be adding it one after the other, okay, so that it will be very easy to whisk. After that, I've added my ½ cup of milk, and that is milk powder. I've added a tablespoon of vanilla extract and a tablespoon of nutmeg extract. I'll make sure I mix it very well to be uniform and smooth. After that, I'm just going to add 2 cups of all-purpose flour, and that is what I've added. I will add ½ tablespoon of baking powder, then mix this very well. If you're new here, hello once again and you are welcome. Please, can you smash on the red button and the bell icon that says all, so that when we upload videos you will be updated. Thank you very much. I've added ½ cup of whole milk. You can use evaporated milk, and you can use evaporated milk and whole milk as well. My returning subscribers, thank you for always clicking my videos to watch. I do appreciate it. Aww. And thank you very much for taking me to 10k subscribers. Hey! Yes, 10k subscribers. It wasn't easy, but we made it. We made it. So this is how the texture looks. Okay, it is not hard and it is not too soft, and my oil is not very hot and not very low as well. Okay, so please be careful with that, so that it won't burn or it will not absorb any oil like that. Just take time to cook so that you get perfect result. So thank you once again for the 10k subscribers. I am very, very happy about that. And this is the time I wanted it. I told myself, no, I want to get it in April. And you remember on 1st January, I told everyone to go and write what you want your channel or anything in life you want to get. Okay, so I did. And not that God came from heaven to give it to me, but I set a target and God helped me, because it is only God who can touch someone's heart to subscribe to your channel. Yes, it is only God that can touch someone to subscribe to your channel. It is only Allah who can touch someone's heart to subscribe to your channel. Yes, so thank you, God, and thank you who is watching me. I am very, very excited and very, very glad. So God willing, tomorrow is my birthday. This is triple blessing, because I'm very sure I will get my 1 million views either today or tomorrow. That is what I want. I want it in April. Yes, so I'll be bringing you video, God willing, tomorrow as well. Thank you very much. And this is the outcome, so beautiful. And please do not forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe. Please follow me on Facebook at Exhibiting Mommy's Recipes, and I'll be very happy. So I come your way next time. Bye bye.